What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-104433-5. There may be a problem with the signing in the status. So sometime by mistakenly you just tap on the busy or signing off, you just must check it, and sometimes your network is not working, that's why you get this. So simply I'm just share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. So you just go to the account, and here you just check the status busy or offline. You must, if the offline, you just set on the online, and then switch the user. You just add a new user, sign in again. If your PS account is not signing, you just check it properly, your everything is correct, and then go to the settings. Here we are. User and account, so you just check your PS account is signed in or not, and then login setting. Your console is logged in or not, you must check it. There we go. So, and then you go to the network. There is a view PlayStation network services. Here is, and then sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, that's why your PS account is signed out already. And if the server is working up and good, you just check your own internet connection or contact with your internet provider. Are you just connect a new connection, advanced settings, frequency settings, DNS settings, M2 settings. You can change it manually also, or you just use a wired LAN cable. It's a good for you. You will get better speed on it, and that's how simply you can fix this up. And if you want to ask a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.